Hello everyone, this is Bhavna. Remember, we learned letters and their sounds and started making small words from 2 to 6 letters using our KPL word builder and phonic book. Now, we know our letters and words. Let us get acquainted with this KPL learning sentence kit. It has cut out pieces of words which help the children to learn new words, their pronunciation, spellings, vocabulary building, formation of simple sentences, simple questions, use of punctuations, articles, singular plural, opposites, know-how of tenses and much more. This kit is suitable for children with age of 6 years or above. With this kit, we have sight for nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, punctuations, conjunctions, prepositions, as the words are color-coded. So, let's learn! This is Sentence Kit Level 1. Words in blue color are adjectives. In green color are common nouns. Purple color ones are articles or verbs. Red color are general words. And transparent ones are for punctuation marks and making plurals. Let us play with few words. Hot, cold, happy, sad. Hey, did you see these are opposites as well? I have few more opposite words. You can look out for more in this. Hard, soft, after, before, mother, father, he, she. Let us join words and make simple sentences. Simple sentences, the child can be told about the structure of the sentence and this can help the child frame simple sentences like we learn and play. Full stop. We learn and play. This is our garden. Full stop. This is our garden. Simple questions. Similarly, simple questions can be framed. Where can I sit? Question mark. Where can I sit? What can I eat? Question mark. What can I eat? Use of punctuation. I sit with Amit and Tina. Full stop. That is his father, comma, mother and sister. Full stop. Use of a or an. Amit is a boy. This is an egg. Singular plural. Mango, mangoes. Scarf, scarves. Butterfly, butterflies. Eye, eyes. Sentence building level 2 has more words to make simple to complex sentences. For example, I am laughing or I am laughing with my father. Children can be asked to look out for words and make meaningful sentences. We can also play dumb charades. Picture can be shown and children can find out words and make sentences and do many language activities. Make sentences, read a lot. Happy learning!